Hi, welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. As you saw in a previous video, I motorized a canoe by throwing a Weedwhacker motor with a propeller on it and kind of fiberglassing everything together. And now I think it's time to test this contraption and see how well it actually functions out on the water. All right, it's a beautiful day. Time to go test this thing out. Alright, so it turns out the motorized canoe does work. It's not as fast as I was hoping, but I think we might be able to get a little more performance out of it with some tweaks, and hopefully we'll have a follow-up video getting this back out on the water. Thanks for watching. This has been the Save It for Parts channel, and go ahead and like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this in the future.